update of these big guys. The summer of 2018 I was cutting a Stenocereus, and it was hanging in the polytunnel a long time for dry up, and it was hanging, you know, like a basket. So the lower part of the plant is down because it's there the root shall come. And now it's time for planting this. Now it's the beginning of January 2019, time's running. It has been an amazing autumn here, so much to do, so now it's time to do this, and I'm happy for that, and especially the Stenocereus is happy for that because it don't like to hang like this, you know. So yeah, now we shall do that. Thank you for watching. Here you see it hanging, so it's hanging in the kitchen now, but I have it earlier in plant room too, so it got grow lights too, so see here, yeah, and in the bottom, sorry, it's too dark I think, but yeah, so now it's the end of this hang-a-dang. Okay, here you see the surface and how it looks like. It's really dried up and it's look very good, and as you see here, the central cylinder, as I talked about before, how important it is to let the central cylinder be the lowest part of the cutting, especially it's when it's fat cuttings like this, you know. So it's very important to have this central cylinder in the bottom, and it's the lowest part, because now when I put it in a pot, I let the whole plant rest on this central cylinder, because that is the most solid part who hold and support the plant, and the roots will come around the central cylinder, not inside the central cylinder. It's outside the center cylinder, and if it rests on the center cylinder, the roots can easily go out in the soil because it's not packed there. So I'm gonna pack it so it can stand on it, and then it's looser soil around, so the roots can easily grow out. So now I filled up here. Yeah. Yeah. They're gonna be great here. Now it's soil up here, and I'm gonna press it together, compress it, so it's be steady for the whole cutting to rest on. So I pack it like this, so it's gonna be stability and solid, so it's gonna sink down and then make it hard for the roots to come out and mash them. So all right, it's done here. Now there we can go, yeah. So, and then I filled up here with soil around and more loose one, you know. cactus is not a hardy one, you know, so it have to be indoor because 5 degrees Celsius here, it's too cold. We have that in Napolitan, and the humidity here in Ireland is not a fun thing, and it's really a challenge to grow cacti here. It would be better to have air plants and ferns and mushrooms and stuff like that. But if you love cacti as I do, it's not easy to stop doing that. Yeah, I cannot pack it more than this. So now it's very easy for the roots to come out and start growing. So hope you got an idea on how you can do with these bigger plants, bigger cuttings like this one. You know, it's about 70 centimeters, so a couple of feet. Yeah. So hope you like the video and you got some ideas of how to do. Yeah. And this was the update, and I'm truly gonna make a more update when it starts to grow and so you really can see that it works. And here you can see now where it stands, the hero with the other heroes. So now it will get rooted here, and I will show you an update afterwards when it starts to grow and start to have a good life. And as you can see here, I support with stones down there, so it supported a bit more. It's need that, you know, because it don't have no roots. Roots is meant to suck up water and fertilizer for the plant, but even to support it so it stands up. You know, a big tree without roots fall, and that's the same with cacti. So it's very logic. All right, now you see, and that was that. Thank you for watching. See you. Bye bye.